Tommy Greco here, clarinet instructor. Today I'm going to be talking about the clarinet and how to assemble it, how to disassemble it, and the names of the different parts of the clarinet. When you assemble the clarinet, you don't want to have the clarinet in your lap because, let's say you're sitting down, you put this on your lap, your hands are full, and now the whole case can fall and disaster. So we don't want that to happen. So when you assemble the clarinet, you either want to put it on the ground in front of you, or maybe grab a handy chair or some other table that you can put it on other than the chair you're sitting in, and open it up. The clarinet case typically is going to have some little latches like this. You just undo that. Now when you do this, you have to make sure you have the case the correct side up. Right now I'm going to open it, and this is the correct side up. Sometimes there'll be a logo on the top of the instrument to let you know which is the top and which is the bottom. What you don't want to do is you don't want to assemble it with the case upside down, for obvious reasons. So this is the way the latches generally work. Okay? Now I'm going to put this in front of me here on this chair. It's going to be a little easier. And as I open this up, I make sure it's on the top. The first thing I want to do is get out my reed. Okay? I want to get that in my mouth. Get that soaking. I'm going to take the reed out of my mouth so I can continue to speak. Okay? But normally the reed would remain in my mouth. I'm getting it soaked. You can actually soak both the front and the back part of the reed. Okay? Then you want to always grab the bell first. Then you grab the lower section of the clarinet. That's called the lower joint. That's what some people call it. This is the upper joint, or the upper section. Now you always want to hold your finger on this key, Hello. So that keeps this bridge key up in the up position. Make sure you're not pushing this one up, because you don't want this one on the lower joint up. You want it down. You want this one up, and you want to put them together, holding the instrument as close as possible here. Okay. Now get out the barrel. Then you get out your mouthpiece. This is the mouthpiece. This is the ligature. Now you've had the reed in your mouth soaking the whole time. So you take it out. Get a good hold on the clarinet. Put the reed on the mouthpiece here, or here. Now it's ready to go, and you can play. Let's say you've been playing for a while. First thing you want to do is take the reed off the instrument. You can put it down in the case. Take the ligature off. You're just doing the reverse of what you did when you put it together. Barrel off. Upper joint off. Lower joint off. You're going to find that there's a particular place inside the case for each section, and then the bell goes right here, obviously, but the upper and lower joints can sometimes get confused. So you just need to figure out, well, how do I put this in there so that it fits according to the way the case is manufactured. Each case is different. So once that's put away, make sure you put your reed back in its place. You can get the spit off on your shirt, on your arm, however you prefer. And then make sure that goes away dry in your reed case. And that's how you assemble and disassemble the clarinet and the names of the different parts of the clarinet. There's going to be more instruction on how to maintain your instrument. Right now, thank you for watching, and have a great day. the safest place for your clarinet is in the case. You latch the case up. Now it's safe. Nothing's going to happen to it unless I leave it on this chair, in which case the chair could get knocked. Don't forget, if it's in the case, that doesn't mean it's safe. That just means it's in the case. It's the safest place for it to be. The safest place for this is locked up somewhere on the floor. Thank you for watching.